400
Equals?
1,400.
Very good. Right.
1,400.
1,000.
1,400.
Alright.
400.
How to write 1,400?
9, 10.
Tinalo ka pa ng anak mo. Very good. Next.
2,400.
Next. Number 5.
30 plus. Correct.
No.
Sorry. 300 plus 200
Equals what?
That's 8 apples. Maybe 3.
Count.
Three apples.
300 plus 200 equals
Kaya mo siya. Start ko mo.
Here. 200, 300, 400, 500.
Alright, 500.
Bigyan niya isa.
Diba, ang galing niya.
Ulit kasi ng box mo.
Sorry na. Laki kasi ng sulat niya eh. Next. Number?
Sinalo na to.
Number? Number ano na tayo?
6.
Number 6. Oh. Read.
150 plus 250
Equals?
That's Scotland. 250.
plus 150.
Oh. 150 plus 250
Equals?
There's questions. 350.
No.
Okay.
350.
You have 150 apples plus 250 apples. Equals?
Laksan mo.
Apples. This one.
Ilan?
Equals?
360.
No.
Okay.
Let's try again.
100 plus 200.
340.
No. 100 plus 200 equals?
150.
No.
150.
100 plus 200 equals?
200.
Plus 100.
200. That's true.
300 plus 100?
200 70.
No. 300 plus 100 equals? 300 plus 100.
300.
4.
330.
No.
Let's try.
100 plus 200 equals?
50.
50 plus 50.
200.
Nalilito siya pag may 50.
Ilan?
What did you
50 plus 50 equals?
50 plus 50 equals?
500.
400.
150
No.
plus 250
50 equals?
4.
400. Oh.
Ilan?
400.
Oh. Sulat mo.
100 plus 300 equals...
Kakita ko lang.
Ay, 200 plus 100 equals 300. 50 plus 50 equals 100.
Next.
Next, number?
100
Ay, may 50 na naman.
750.
Ang taas.
plus 850
Taas nga, no?
what? What?
What?
How many
How many
apples do you
how
have?
many 8 1
Gusto niya na.
I want 8 1
Enhance siya.
Alam niya.
Alam niya yan. Hindi niya kaya eh. Ayan, okay na. Yan, 2, yan.
7 right 750 apple. Three 800 people
30.
O, sige, 800 muna, plus 700. O, ilan? Wag mo to sama, wag mo sama. 800 lang, o.
830
30, sinama niya pa yung 30.
Kasi,
what to do paint
equals what?
This, o. Paano? Paano siya sasagutan?
to do paint
O, 800 plus 700. O, ilan?
yeah this
Ayaw na? O, ito na lang, sa isa. O, number 8. Number 8. O, sagot mo yung number 8. X na yan. X na natin yung 7. O, number 8 ka na. Saan ka?